Hey there, Neo investors. Welcome back to another exciting update. In today's video, we'll be diving into some intriguing news surrounding Neo's stock. We'll discuss how the latest announcements could potentially impact the stock price and what it means for the company's future. So, let's not waste any time and get right into it. Let's jump right into analyzing the price action for Neo's stock on July 21st, 2023. We've got some interesting metrics to discuss, so let's get started. The day opened with Neo's stock at $10.50, and by the closing bell, it reached $10.58. That's a positive movement of 2.52% from the previous close of $10.32. The stock had quite a range, with a daily high of $10.77 and a daily low of $10.38, making it a 3.71% range for the day. The trading volume was also quite significant, with a daily volume of 33,088,980 shares traded and an average volume of 61,024,855 shares. This suggests that there was good market participation and interest in the stock. Now, let's take a closer look at the day's high and low. The daily high of $10.77 could be seen as a potential resistance level, as it represents the highest price the stock reached during the day. On the other hand, the daily low of $10.38 could be considered as a support level, as it represents the lowest price the stock reached. One interesting observation is that the closing price of $10.58 is very close to the previous day's resistance level at $10.63. This indicates that the stock might have faced some resistance around that price point, but managed to close above it. It would be crucial to monitor the price action around this level in the coming days to see if it becomes a significant resistance or if the stock manages to break through it. In terms of abnormal metrics, the daily change of 2.52% is quite notable, especially if we compare it to the previous day's change of 2.11%. This indicates that there might have been increased volatility or trading activity in the stock. As always, it's important to consider the broader market conditions and any relevant news or developments that could impact Neo's stock price. Market sentiment can shift quickly, and unexpected events can influence the stock's movement. Let's dive into some exciting news that could potentially impact Neo's stock price. I've got a fascinating article to share with you, so let's get right into it. The article discusses the potential for Neo shares to be the biggest winner of the second half of the year. Recently, Neo's stock has been range-bound since October, but since May, it has shown some strength, pushing up around 35%. However, it encountered resistance around $10.50. One of the key factors affecting Neo's stock price is its delivery performance. In March, the company delivered 9,652 vehicles, down from 10,489 in February. This raised concerns among investors about the ongoing challenges the company is facing, including chip shortages, supply chain bottlenecks, and increased competition, especially from Tesla. Despite these challenges, Neo achieved a promising year-on-year increase of around 15% in the first 6 months of 2023, delivering 54,561 new vehicles. To meet its full-year delivery target of 240,000 vehicles, Neo will need to deliver 195,439 vehicles in the second half of the year. While this might seem like a tough task, Neo remains confident in its ability to achieve this goal. To support increased production, Neo has expanded its production capacity at its Hefei plant by 20% and has constructed a new plant on the Neo Park site, potentially capable of producing 1 million vehicles a year. Demonstrating progress toward hitting delivery objectives could positively impact Neo's share price and possibly even push it towards 2022 levels. The forecasts are also looking optimistic, with analysts anticipating revenue in the second half of the year to surge to $7.3 billion, compared to an estimated $4.3 billion in the first half. However, the magnitude of the fourfold increase in deliveries required for the coming months might not be fully captured in these figures. While there's always some risk involved in buying a stock towards the top end of a trading range, there's evidence that the market is starting to believe in Neo once again. The unique battery swapping technology and the range of high-performance, yet modestly priced vehicles make Neo an appealing prospect for long-run growth. considering both its long-run potential and the possibility of short-term gains if it meets its delivery targets. NIO's stock looks promising and may be undervalued at just 1.92 forward sales. Let's jump into the analysis of the upcoming resistance and support levels for NIO's stock. Remember, this is for July 24, 2023, so keep an eye on these levels as they could impact the stock's price action. First up, let's talk about the upcoming levels of resistance. We've got 3 key levels to watch: $10.77, $10.97, and $11.16. These resistance levels represent price points where the stock might face some selling pressure. If NIO's stock manages to break through and hold above the first resistance level at $10.77, it could indicate a bullish momentum. In that case, we might see it shoot up to the next resistance level at $10.97. Breaking through this level might pave the way for further gains, aiming for the ultimate challenge at $11.16. Now, let's shift our focus to the upcoming support levels. These levels, which are at $10.38, $10.19, and $9.99, represent price points where the stock might find some buying support. If the stock experiences a temporary pullback, these support levels could act as cushions, preventing it from dropping further. However, if NIO's stock breaks below the first support level at $10.38, it could face additional selling pressure, potentially leading to further declines toward the next support level at $10.19. A break below $10.19 might indicate a more bearish sentiment, with $9.99 as the next support level to watch. It's important to keep in mind that stock prices are influenced by various factors, including market sentiment, company news, and overall market conditions. So, while these levels provide useful reference points, they are not guaranteed to play out exactly as predicted. As an investor, it's crucial to stay updated on NIO's performance and monitor how the stock behaves around these resistance and support levels. They can offer valuable insights into potential price movements and help you make more informed decisions. And that wraps up our analysis on NIO for today. As always, remember to do your own research and consider all factors before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates on NIO and other exciting investment opportunities. Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!